This is a hoop off of tomato trellis, and this was just laying in my greenhouse. Right here's the weld. The weakest part is the weld. I'm going to cut near the weld. It's a pretty hard wire. For these weeders, you need to have a high tensile wire, something that's real stiff. This is fairly stiff wire. You could use the handle off of a 5-gallon bucket. That's a fairly stiff wire. That should be long enough for a larger hoop. Okay, now this one we need to bend the ends. That's going to go into the handle. You're going to need a little bit like that, and we need it on both of them, both ends. That should be enough. Okay, now we need to bend this out. And you only need maybe 1.5 to 2 inches. That should be adequate. And if we don't want it as a hoop, we can adjust it after we put it together. You can use a chisel to do that, but that's quick and easy. Okay, now if I had a hose clamp, I'd put that on there and I'd be finished. But I don't have a hose clamp. So I'm going to hold this with a zip tie because it wants to spring out. So that's tight there. Okay, now we're going to make a permanent fix on there with wire, fencing wire. Now to start this, I'm going to drill a hole on this end here. All the way through. Okay, I'm going to use leather gloves for this, and I have glasses on. I know someone that lost an eye wiring a house due to the wire hitting him in the center of the eye. Okay, we start with this in the hole, and we're going to wrap it tight. I'll let the first one cross like that. And I'm pulling as hard as I can to keep this wire taut. And this being tapered, it's going to help keep it held forward. That's not necessary, but that's just how this broomstick was shaped. This fencing, I think, is a 14 gauge wire. It's just something I had left laying around. Now, like I said, if I had a hose clamp, I would put that on and I would be finished. Okay, now this is going around that screw clockwise, and we're going to snug it up. This will press the wire into the wood, and from there we cut it. Permanent. Okay, this is how they attached broom heads onto broomsticks in the old days. Okay, that's it. I'm going to coat this with linseed oil, let it dry, and then we're going to try it in the garden.